Hi kids, today we're learning about fire trucks, police cars, and ambulances. Are you ready? Let's go!
Fire truck.
Fire truck. This is a fire truck. It helps firefighters put out fires and rescue people.
Police car.
Police car. This is a police car. It helps police officers keep the city safe and catch bad guys.
Firefighting helicopter.
Firefighting helicopter. This is a firefighting helicopter. It flies high and drops water on big fires from the sky.
Police motorcycle.
Police motorcycle. This is a police motorcycle. It moves fast through traffic to stop speeding cars and help in emergencies.
Air tanker.
Air tanker. This is an air tanker. It's a big airplane that drops water or fire retardant on wildfires.
Airport crash tender.
Airport crash tender. This is an airport crash tender. It's a special fire truck made to fight airplane fires at airports.
Tow truck.
Tow truck. This is a tow truck. It helps move broken or crashed cars off the road.
Water bomber plane.
Water bomber plane. This is a water bomber plane. It flies over wildfires and drops a lot of water to stop the fire.
Police helicopter.
Police helicopter. This is a police helicopter. It helps find missing people and watch the city from the sky.
SWAT truck.
SWAT truck. This is a SWAT truck. It carries special police teams for dangerous missions.
Police van.
Police van. This is a police van. It transports police officers or people safely to different places.
Fire snow plow truck.
This is a fire snow plow truck. It clears snow so fire trucks can reach people in winter.
Fire crane truck.
Fire crane truck. This is a fire crane truck. It lifts heavy things during rescue or fire emergencies.
Air ambulance.
Air ambulance. This is an air ambulance. It's a helicopter that flies patients to hospitals quickly.
Ambulance bus.
Ambulance bus. This is an ambulance bus. It carries many patients at once during big emergencies.
Lifeboat.
Lifeboat. This is a lifeboat. It rescues people from the sea during storms or accidents.
Hospital ship.
Hospital ship. This is a hospital ship. It's a big ship with doctors and nurses that helps people at sea.
Fire engine.
This is a fire engine. It carries water, hoses, and ladders to help firefighters put out fires.
Rescue hovercraft.
Rescue hovercraft. This is a rescue hovercraft. It moves on land and water to save people during floods or icy conditions.
Fire command vehicle.
This is a fire command vehicle. It helps the fire chief lead firefighters and make quick decisions during emergencies. Good job, kids! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.